Yo, 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 what's good? What's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. So, today, I'm gonna be flipping a coin to see whether I'm gonna show you a Destroy Lonely or SoFaygo type beat. Now, never made these before, but we're gonna see today. So let's get to it. Bah!
Take forever.
So now the question becomes, do I even have a quarter to flip? I don't think it's a quarter in here. That's why I keep my quarters. Found one. So heads is gonna be Destroy Lonely, and tails is gonna be SoFaygo. So let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a nice little tail situation. Hopefully you can see that. Probably can't. Or
You stupid.
SoFaygo it is. Alright, cool. So, as you can see, it's darker. It's nighttime. It's not the morning no more. Where I had to go to work. Had to get these gains. Now, I remember we was doing a SoFaygo type beat. So, let's get into that. I'm gonna throw chords and then 2 melodies. And then, I'm gonna do the drums after that. So, let's see. Chords. I want something like I kind of want something that's like, not, I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna just go to the pads. That's how I'll explain it. Something that brings a vibe but isn't too melodic. Ooh, I don't know why that sound high, but that sound hard, boy. Move, yo ugly ass. Alright, cool. So, this is the dry ass chord that we are gonna use for this right now. I just like the sounds, and what the sounds bring is kind of new to me, so word. But I started off with a major chord, then I just threw on some top notes to create a nice little vibe in the back. It's kind of a real like not down mood, but like a darker melody vibe, and it's a little melodic. So this is what it sounds like. Cool, like, alright, one thing I want to point out, that shit, like, yo, phew. But when I tell you that shit is just the swaying of the loop as it goes, bro, and then it just got this like weird phaser on it. Oh, like listen, like listen to that. Perfect. That's perfection right there. Alright, cool. Now that we got the chord, we about to do the third melody. Word. Oh, now that we got the chord, we gonna do the second melody. Word. All I'm gonna do is create another pattern. Now the reason why I always create another pattern is because for some reason I always have like this one melody that's longer than the rest. So I'm just preparing for that now. That's part of being a great producer is preparation. It's part of being a great anything is preparation. Alright. So I have this nylon shimmer that I like to use. It's basically a nylon guitar with a little something behind it. It's a texture behind it. Boom, that's what it's called. Alright, so that's melody number 2. It's very simple. Sometimes I like to throw like very simple melodies in there. One, to show you guys that you don't have to have music theory knowledge in order to make music. You just gotta know what note matches whatever you're trying to match it to. Simple melodies sound better. Like other ones blend in more, but these make a statement. Like. And if I was to add some distortion, yo, oh my god, y'all wouldn't even look. I ain't even gonna know what to do with myself after I add this distortion, bro. Look at that. Alright, cool. Now for the third, I'm gonna try to use like a synth. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to use a synth, and I'm gonna go to citrus just because I haven't used citrus in a while. I've been abusing flex, no cap. That's why I'm starting to try to use like omnisphere right now. And also I'm working on like a beat kit, so like work. But new god came with a yeah. Nah, but let's see. Ooh, I could use an ARP. Word. Alright, cool. So I have no clue what the 4/4/3, whatever you want to call it, melody is going to sound like. So I'm gonna stop here. That's my advice for not blocking your own creativity. Is like not holding on to things that you're struggling with in the beat, because then you're not gonna want to do it anymore. Alright. So now I'm gonna transition to the drums. Let's get to it. Word. Damn, I can't even talk, boy. So this what's up. I got the melodies, all of that. I don't like it. I feel like, I don't know. I guess like, one, it's my first time trying to make his style of beat. Whatchamacallit? Yeah, it's my first time making this style of beat. And then two, it's just like, I'm a little tired. But nah, I'm not gonna do that. But weird, I don't really like it like that. But it does sound cool, and I did word, it sound cool. Alright, I hope you liked the video, and if you didn't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Word. And don't be a freeloader. Subscribe. Honestly, I just made this video just to make it. I saw SoFaygo was popping, so I'm like, you know what? SoFaygo type beat. Word. But I tell y'all this all the time, try new things. You'll never learn anything new if you stick to the same 1-2. You feel me? I learned that in salsa class. Go out there, experiment, try new sounds, try new rhythms, try new everything. Word. Try new food, try new instruments. Nigga, try walking a different way to work, bro. Word, just try new. That's your goal. That's your homework. New all 2023. Oh, it's a mouthful. Alright, I ain't gonna keep that no longer. Peace. I got this one. Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, 'cause you're the one who changed me. I hope